In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Mawlavi Amir Khan Muttaqi meets with the head of UNAMA. Afghanistan's ambassador in Tashkent attends the 7th Central Asia-Azerbaijan Consultative Meeting. And the deadly fire incident in Hong Kong. Welcome to today's news package. It's Thursday, the 6th of Jamad al-Thani, 1447, the 6th of Qaws, 1404, and the 29th of November, 2025. The news details. Mawlavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, met with Her Excellency George Ghanaian, the head of the UNAMA and the chief of the mission's political section. During the meeting, His Excellency Mawlavi Muttaqi referred to the working groups engaged in the Doha process, stating that drug cultivation in Afghanistan has reached 0 point and significant measures have been taken to support the private sector. He stressed that relevant parties should also take effective steps to ensure further progress. In response, Her Excellency Ms. Ghanaian expressed regret over the killing of civilians in Khost and Kunar provinces during Pakistan's airstrikes, calling for adherence to international law to prevent civilian casualties. She also evaluated the activities of counter-narcotics and private sector support working groups as positive and proposed expanded cooperation under the framework of Doha process. Sheikh Abdul Ghaffar Bar, Afghanistan's ambassador in Tashkent, participated in the 7th Central Asia-Azerbaijan Consultative Meeting and in a ceremony discussing the outcomes of the recent article by the President of Uzbekistan. Based on the Afghan embassy in Tashkent, participants emphasized the beginning of a new era of cooperation in Central Asia and highlighted Afghanistan's key role in the regional partnership. Discussions further focus on cooperation between Afghanistan and Central Asian states in the areas of trade, regional joint projects, energy, and transportation. The news continuation. Mawlavi Ataullah Umari, the Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock, left for Moscow at the head of a high-ranking delegation to attend the International Conference on Animal Health. The Minister of Agriculture stated that Mawlavi Umari is scheduled to meet with the representatives of participating countries to discuss topics related to animal disease, prevention and control, enhancement of technical capacity, and expansion of joint cooperation. And finally, international media have reported that at least 44 people have been killed and hundreds more are missing following a massive fire in northern Hong Kong. Reports indicate that the fire broke out in a high-rise residential building in Wong Fu Court area of Hong Kong. It's worth noting that this fire has been the deadliest fire in Hong Kong in nearly 6 decades. We have reached the end of our news program. For further informative materials, you could track Urooj on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.